You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yep. Match the boat, please. Master on. Check.
All right.
Mixture full rich. Okay, start. Check oil pressure within 3 seconds. Idle between 700 and 1,000. After that, we're going to go up and do a Magneto check.
All right.
How's that?
Sounds good.
Check. Do it.
Clear prop.
Prop's clear. Go ahead. Yeah, there we go. Still a little low, but it did rise. So what we're looking at is the actual RPM when he pulled the mixture back. It rose up a little bit, and it dropped down, but it kind of will settle down like that anyway. Okay, looking good. All right, now our next project, Matt, power card off, please.